They're now moving around. Not as aggressive as he was in the first 2 rounds. Lagay ko nakatikim na din si Jover ng lakas ng suntok ni Pagaling in the previous round. He's fighting a little more cautiously in this round. But he can't afford to do that. That'll open up the door for Pagaling to gain confidence. Jover has to shoot that right hand. That's the right jab that was challenged. Good! Step up! Yeah. Box! You notice that Jover is now leading off with the left hand instead of the right jab. Pagaling, ito yung sinasabi natin that he should apply pressure and be more aggressive. He's doing that right now. Left hand coming from Jover. And again, drawing the roar of the pro Jover. Oh! Groggy si Pagaling. He got hit by Jover. Might have lost his footing a little bit off balance also. Akala ko pabagsak na si James Pagaling. But he might have just been a little off balance. To the body by both these fighters. Oh, what a shot! Left hand, and Pagaling is down, and he's gone. He's out. Oh boy, one punch. Pagaling is out cold. He's got to be attended to. The Gab doctors have to come in. They've got to check on Pagaling. What a punch coming from Kenneth Jover. He is the new Gab Philippine Youth Bantamweight champion. But before anything else, you've got to come to the aid of Pagaling. He's still down on the canvas. There's oxygen now being administered. He's breathing heavily. It was one shot. An amazing performance by the lover boy. And the Gab officials are working on Pagaling just to make sure that he's fine. I don't know if there will be a need for a stretcher, but let's check out what happened here. That punch of the round, one punch. Makita natin ang opening. Sabay, sapul na sapul yun. You watch here, the opening will come up. Yun, just when the right hand of Pagaling went down, nakita ni Jover. And, you know, we noticed that Jover abandoned his right jab. From different angle, we saw that just one punch, getting the job done. Hindi na niya ginamit yung kanyang right jab. He went to his left, and he wanted that knockout. That was a punch of the round. So now they've brought out the stretcher for James Pagaling. Let's hope he's okay. Let's hope he doesn't need hospitalization. But definitely there was a concussion